I am not only a consultant, I'm also an artist. And so that's where artisan came from or comes from. I am a mixed media artist. When I started out, I was just painting. And then I started incorporating organic material like sand and crushed glass and driftwood and things like that because I live down the street from the beach. And I started making things from wood and from fabric. And so that's where artisan comes in at. Preneur. I've always, as far as I can remember, been an entrepreneur. My grandparents are entrepreneurs. My mother's an entrepreneur. And so I come from a family of entrepreneurs. I have a degree in entrepreneurship. I'm currently getting an MBA in digital entrepreneurship. I'm surrounded by small business. And so I have a thing for turning everything that I do into a business. And so that's where Artisan-Preneur came from. I'm not only just a business owner or an entrepreneur, I'm also a creative that makes things.